Friends, today we are going to learn AND function in Excel and AND function with if conditions. So AND function in Excel is a logical function that tests multiple conditions and returns true or results in return true or false depending on whether they are met or not. For example, in our case, there are houses, property types, and the prices. In just 5 steps, we can perform AND functions like is equals to and double click or tab, select the logical test one. Our logical test is D2, which is the property type. D2 is equals to house, comma. Then our logical test 2 is price. Price that should be less than 1,50,000. Bracket close, enter. And as I told you, its results true or false. You can see house and value 4,35,000. You can copy and paste. You can see there is no house less than 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Mistakenly, we entered 15,000. So once again, copy and paste. Now we can see, is there any house value with 1,50,000? There are two houses having value less than 1,50,000. This is very easy to use. We have another AND function with if conditions. If conditions, specifically when two or more conditions are true, you can use if functions in combination with the AND functions to evaluate condition with a test. Then take one action if the results is true, and optionally do take another if the results of the test is false. AND function take place of logical test conditions. Here you can see if functions returns yes or no. If all conditions are met, results will be yes. And specific value we can add if I want to get results in another value, so I can mention that. So is equals to if double click or tap and double click or tap logical test 1, which is D2, equals to house, then logical test 2, which is price, less than 1,50,000. Bracket close, comma, specific value is yes, comma, no. Bracket close, enter. You can see its results with specific value, yes or no. Yes, one no. That's it. Hopefully, you understand and like this video. See, please subscribe our channel to see more videos.